Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. My name is Shannon and today I'll be giving you a quick tour around this Volkswagen approved Polo finished in the upgraded blue silk metallic paint. This is a 1.2 litre TSI and it's covered over 16,000 miles from new. So on the front you've got your black grille with the chrome surround, got your wheels, your electric operated and heated door mirrors which are great for leaving your car parked down narrow streets. You've got your rear tinted glass for that extra bit of privacy, and I'll just take you into the boot. So open up the boot, you just push the badging in and click. We have a spacious boot for the size of the car, plenty of room to store your things, and then we've also got some extra space if you require that extra bit of height. So moving into the rear, the car's finished off in the Titan black cloth. It's been really well looked after. It's in a really good condition. We've got plenty of space for anyone travelling. Then I'll just give you an overview of the front interior. Then moving into the car, you've got your touchscreen menu. So on here you've got your DAB digital radio for all your music. You'd adjust the volume here. And then we've got your app connect to connect your smartphone. And this car also comes with a Bluetooth telephone preparation. Then we've also got the benefit of front and rear parking sensors, which is great for helping you park your car. And then moving down, we've got all your aircon controls. We've got USB and aux port down here. Got two handy cup holders, your manual gearbox. Now I'll just give you a close-up of the seat. So moving round, got your automatic lights, all your electric window controls down there. And then lastly, we've got your multi-function leather steering wheel. If you have any more questions about this car, then please give us a call. Thank you for watching.